Hello, welcome back. I can't believe I'm saying this already, but today's hair tutorial is 3 easy hairstyles for fall. These looks are quick, they're easy, they're right on trend, and I tried to create a little something for everyone's taste. Now, before we get started, I'd love to know which of these looks was your favorite. All right. Let's get started. I know I always say hair prep is key, but it is. I usually play around and practice my hairstyles on unprepped hair before I share them, and they look completely different. Still beautiful, but different. And you know, I have surprisingly flat and thin hair. I know a lot of you have these concerns as well, so I'm always on the hunt for products that are going to thicken up my hair, add volume without weighing it down. Now, today's video is sponsored by Christophe, who makes some of my favorite hair products, and just over a month ago, I was introduced into the cleansing volumizing paste with rose extracts. You are going to love this. This makes it look like you got a blowout done to your hair, but without the work. But this is one of the most unique shampoo formulas that I've ever tried. After the first use, it left my hair so voluminous and thick feeling. I couldn't wait to share it, and just wait till you see what this looks like. Okay, you ready? Look at this texture. I bet you didn't think it was gonna look like this, did you? But this has clay, which just gently exfoliates. It removes any product buildup, excess oils, and I'll overlay some shots from this morning, but I use about a tablespoon's worth, and I like to work in sections, take my time, just to ensure that it's all spread throughout. And when you add water to the paste, it transforms into this really rich lather. It's so satisfying. And if you enjoyed the sea salt scrub, you are going to love this. I feel like I'm at the spa every time I use it. Such a treat. And for extra volume, I like to leave it on for 2 minutes and be sure to rinse very thoroughly. And what's so cool about this is it builds up over time. So the more you use it, the more volume you'll have. And I've been using this about once per week, or if I know I'm going out and I want to create like a big voluminous look, then I'll grab this. Now, this deeply cleanses your hair, so you want to make sure you're following up with a nourishing conditioner, and the delicate volumizing conditioner with rose extracts is my go-to. This will leave your hair so soft and tangle-free. Plus, it adds volume to the strands without weighing it down. It's great. And plus, this is safe for color-treated hair. And every time I wash my hair, I always use the Volumizing Leave-In Mist, and you may have noticed they changed their packaging. Let me find my old one. All right, here's the old one and the new packaging. I love it. I think it's so cute. It looks so nice in my bathroom. But this product is amazing, especially for fine hair, because it just creates the most perfect weightless volume. All right, then just zhuzh the product in, and I'm just going to quickly blow dry my hair just to give my hair a smooth finish, but this is completely optional. Look at my hair. Look at all the volume at the root. It feels so thick and full. Typically, I don't wear my hair straight because I feel like it looks flat, and this just adds so much volume to it. Now, there is a little bit of texture, but that's what's going to give you that long-lasting volume, and it also makes for a great base for these hairstyles. If you have fine or thin hair, or you're looking for volume, then I would definitely recommend these products. I will leave links in the description so you can shop and learn more, and definitely let me know if you check them out. I'm just going to quickly add some curls with a 1 1/4 inch barrel just to add some movement to my hair, and let's get started. First up is a beautiful braided half-up hairstyle. Beginning on the left side, gather all of the hair from above your ears to about the back of your parts, pulling out any face framing pieces. Now completely section this off and repeat on the right side, and then smooth down your side sections with your fingers to keep everything nice and soft. And then tightly secure your 2 side sections together at the back of your head with a hair elastic, and I like to place a clip underneath just to help prevent tangling. And then flip your ponytail up and through the hole at the top, pulling it all the way through to create a topsy tail. And then hold the elastic on your topsy tail with one hand, and with the other one, begin pinching and pulling on your twists. This will make them larger and add more dimension to the hairstyle. Now, you can also pull on the sides to soften the look, but you really want to focus most of the pulling on the twists. Next, gather 2 2-inch sections from both sides of your ponytail and completely section them off, and then tightly secure them together with a hair elastic a couple inches down from your first one. And then, the best part, gently pull out the sides of your sections to fan them out, and then pull on the center outwards to create more fullness. And then repeat, this time splitting your lower ponytail in half and securing your 2 sections together on top to create another pull through. Don't forget to pancake, and you can repeat this as many times as you like, but I stopped here. And then I finished off the look by wrapping a small piece of hair around my elastic, and I secured it into place by sliding a bobby pin down through the back of my elastic. Okay, how beautiful! And I love that this hairstyle is all small elastics. That way it'll stay in place all day long. Next is an updo inspired by looks that I've seen on the red carpet lately. So place your thumbs behind your ears and trace up to where you want your bun to sit, and I wanted mine to sit almost ear height. And then with your other hand, scoop up all that remaining hair. And then use your fingers to comb everything. This will keep the look softer, and then don't forget to pull out face framing pieces. Now, I secured my hair using a DIY hair bungee, so 2 bobby pins on an elastic. I just love how tightly this secures the hair, and it keeps all that texture in place, but an elastic works perfect. Next, divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections, and then tie them together by bringing your right over the left, and then flipping the left up, and pulling it all the way through that hole. And then pull it nice and tight, and then you want to bring your ends up, tie them together the same way, so right over left, and then pull your left section through that hole, pulling it nice and tight. Now if your ends are short, just hold them at the top, but if not, bring them down and cross them at the bottom, and wrap them around your bun and back up to the top. Now I've been noticing a lot of celebs wearing updos with the ends poking out. It's so 90s. I love the look, but feel free to tuck yours in. And then spread out your knots and hold them tightly against your head and just begin securing them into place. Now I love using French pins. I wore this hairstyle out the other night and I used maybe 6 and it was so secure. It was not going anywhere. I love this look. It's right on trend and perfect for a night out or to pair with a chunky knit. Lastly is a voluminous braided ponytail, and this is slightly more of a challenge, but worth it. You can do it. Sectioning before braiding makes it so much easier. So trace from the back of your part around your crown and down to the center of your neck. And then just clip your larger section out of the way for now. And I also traced a centimeter back from my hairline just to create those face framing pieces. Okay, time to create a knot braid, and it's much easier than it looks. Begin by gathering the hair at the top of your section, about 1 inch down from your part, and then wrap it over your index and middle finger to make a loop and bring this towards the front. So it should look like this. And then come from underneath and put your index finger and thumb through your loop and then grab onto your ends. For this braid, you always want to grab your ends. So that's the technique, but before pulling them through, gather another section below your previous one and then join it into your ends, making sure it's completely sectioned off. Now, pull your section through just enough that your index finger and thumb on your right hand will fit inside. And this may be a little tricky, but squeeze them in. And once they're through, try to grab onto your ends the best you can. And then gather another section below your previous one, and this does not need to be perfect, and then join it into your ends. And then grab onto them with your pinchers and pull it partially through. And again, squeeze your index finger and thumb on your right hand through that loop, and then grab onto your ends the best that you can. And then you want to gather another section, and don't worry about it being perfect. Just join it in and then pull it partially through. And then just keep repeating this pattern all the way down to the end. And this braid may take a couple tries to get a hang of, but once you do and you've got that rhythm, it's quite simple. Once you reach the bottom, pinch your ends for one last time, and this time pull them all the way through. Next, hold the base of your braid, and with your other hand, pancake your braids. So pinch and pull on the outsides to fan them out. At the top, you can see the braid has 3 sections, and towards the bottom, they're hidden. So if this happens, you can use a pin or a comb just to pull out those middle sections. Once you're happy with it, secure all of your hair into a ponytail, and again, I used a DIY hair bungee for this. Don't forget to pinch and pull on the hair around your crown to add more volume, texture, and then wrap a small piece of hair around your elastic and secure it into place by sliding a bobby pin through the underside of your elastic. Now to perk up your ponytail, tease the top third, and I love to use a brush for this. I just find it creates very soft full volume. I love chunky braids for fall, and this one is so unique. Definitely let me know if you try it. There we have it. I can't wait to hear what you think. Definitely let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite. I really love this braided ponytail. I think it's so cute for fall. But if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time.